Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can snooze an email to respond to later on in the Gmail app on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. And then on your home screen, you want to swipe up. And in the app screen, tap on the Google folder. Next, tap on Gmail app. In Gmail, you want to open up an email that you would like to snooze. So for example, this one right here. And then you want to tap on the option key or the more button. So you want to tap at the top here. And then tap on snooze from the pop-up. And in here, you have the option to snooze at tomorrow, later this week, this weekend, next week, or you can pick your own date and time. So first we need to pick a date, and then we need to pick the hour, and then after that you can pick the minute. So here we can choose the minute, and then tap on OK, and then tap on saved, and that's it. We have now snoozed an email. Once an email times is up, it will send the snooze to you, and it will sit at the top of the inbox like this one right here. And then you can always go in here and reply to that email. And as soon as you open up that email, you can see the snooze status will go away. And if I tap on the menu key, I can also tap on snooze, and I can check to see which email I need to respond to. So the purpose of snooze is to allow you to later on go back to that email and respond to that email, because perhaps right now you do not have the time to attend to those emails. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.